Allison. I'm the Programs Outreach and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of Make It Monday. Today we are going to be making cute little 3D elephants with our pop-out trunks. So all that you'll need to do this project is one piece of paper. It can be any type of paper that you want, so whether you have construction paper or even binder paper or anything that you like to use. I used construction paper. You are also going to need scissors and a glue stick and something to decorate your elephant with, like a marker or crayons or a pen or a pencil. So gather up those materials, meet me back here, and we'll get started.
So one of the things that's really cool about this project is that you just need one piece of paper, and we are going to use our scissors and a pen to cut this piece of paper into the different shapes that we need for our elephant. So you'll start by folding it in half, and it can be any type of paper, as I said at the start. So you'll fold it in half, hot dog style, long ways. And then once you've done that, we're going to cut it in half. So you can use that fold that you made as a guideline. Then with 1/2 of the paper, you are going to fold the bottom up a little bit to make a little square at the bottom. So you'll have one longer sheet, smaller square at the bottom. You'll cut that too. And then with this longer piece, you are going to cut that in half from one corner to the other corner so that you'll have two triangles. And you can fold that if you want to create a guideline or just free cut it. And then lastly, you're going to take this little square and cut that in half like that. So you have all these different shapes. Now we'll put these aside for right now. We're going to start with these two. These are going to be your elephant ears. So you can make your elephant ears any shape that you want. I'm going to make mine kind of look like little butterfly wings. And they don't have to be the same. So here are my elephant ears. And once you've drawn those out, then you'll cut that out as well. Now we'll put these two aside for a little bit. And you're going to take one of your triangles that you cut. You don't need both, you'll just take one. And this is going to be your elephant trunk. So to make that little zigzaggy trunk, you're gonna start folding this accordion style. So you'll start on either end. I'm gonna start on the long end. And you'll fold it like that one way, and then flip it over and fold it again. And you'll fold it back and forth like you're making a little fan. And this will create that little pop on the trunk. You'll have that. So we'll put that aside for a little bit as well. You'll take your big piece now and you're gonna roll it like so. You wanna roll it so that it wraps completely around and you have some that's down here, that's where we're gonna glue it, and you still have some hanging down here to make your elephant's body. So we'll take our glue stick and you'll add glue to this part right here, which is going to be the layer that gets folded down. And you don't have to put it on the whole thing. You don't want glue on the whole thing, but maybe, like, I think you can see where it is. It's about an inch of space. And then when you roll it, you'll just make sure that your glue part lands where you fold it down. And then you'll press down. That'll make our elephant body, and you'll probably need to hold it down for a little bit to get the glue to stick. If you want, you can use, I used a little bit of tape to help hold it down too, so some extra reinforcement on the side. And after you have that done, we're going to add on our other pieces of our elephant that we created. So we have our trunk here and our ears. So you can go ahead and use your glue stick to add those on as well. Alright, we have our elephant body. I'm going to cut my trunk down a little bit. I feel like it's a little long. Next is giving our elephant a little bit of character. So you can use marker, crayons, whatever you want to add a face. and just give it a little bit more personality if you like. So I'm going to add some eyes. If you have googly eyes at home, you can use googly eyes too. So I have my eyes. I'm going to give his ears a little definition here on the side. And then I'm going to add some feet to mine on the underside. So I'm going to draw a little line here to divide up his feet, give him some toes. And you can do whatever you like for your elephant. And there he is. Cute little elephant friend.
I hope that you had fun making your elephants today. If you did this craft at home, we would love to see a picture. So leave one in the comments below if you're viewing this on Facebook, or you could tag us on Instagram at @e_MCFL. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye, everyone.